Includes 4 10-pounds. Weights are 40 pounds. Total and a carry strap. Each individual weight is 9 L by 9 inches WX 2.225 inches H. The original no-pinch design makes for easy, safe installation and removal of weights. Fits all canopy poles up to 1 1/4 inch wide. Interlocking weights designed by the experts securely fit the canopy legs. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent. Bought these to weigh down a therapy swing for my son with autism. They work great. Allowed us to not make any permanent holes and it's very sturdy.